This is an ESP32 dev board. I thought I would put together a quick video on how the assembly takes place. The first step is to tape down the board corners. I use green tape. The second step is to use one of these solder paste stencils, or you can carefully apply it by hand. For this board, I'm going to apply the paste by hand. The third step is to place the ICs, the transistors, LDOs, and then your capacitors and resistors. The fourth step is to place the board into a reflow oven. When it's finished, your board should look like this. Thanks for watching.